Как быстро можно найти Казахстан на карте? Именно это мы сегодня и проверим. Иностранцы попытаются найти Казахстан на карте за несколько секунд. Но получится ли это у них? Давайте посмотрим. Прямо сейчас мы пройдемся по улицам и расспросим иностранцев. А это мой друг Бахыт, и он поможет мне в этом.
Достар, ойын шарты. Алдарыңызда тұрған елдердің атауы жоқ картадан Қазақстанды 3 секунд ішінде табу. Егер кім Қазақстанды 3 секунд ішінде табатын болса, онда сол кісіге 30 сыйлығы 5 фунт. Ал, бастадық па?
Кеттік! Have you ever heard about Kazakhstan?
Yes, sort of like semi-newsish, like was it all war there?
I think you have a good opportunity to find the country.
So, are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's get started. 1, 2, 3.
No.
Stop.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Well, I actually studied geography in school, and that's where I heard.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Crazy.
Okay, so
Okay.
you've got 3 seconds.
Okay, alright.
So as soon as I open the map,
Okay.
so
I'm gonna guess wrong, but okay, let's do
okay,
it.
okay, so
Okay.
there is nothing to lose for you.
Yeah, no,
Okay,
definitely not.
1,
Okay.
2,
Nice.
3. Unfortunately, it's here.
Oh, the big.
So, 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Yeah. Kazakhstan actually is this. This country is next to the country. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, this is yeah. Please, your turn. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No.
If you come to Kazakhstan, call us.
Thank you a lot. Okay. Show one country. This is really I'm sorry. Kazakhstan is actually the 9th largest country in the world. And it's in Asia. Launch back. 2. Launch back. 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, unfortunately.
That one?
1, 2, 3. Which one? Green, yellow? Yellow.
No. Orange.
Orange, yes, sorry. You were very close to Kazakhstan. Yeah.
Не, вы не подумайте, что все иностранцы так и не смогли найти Казахстан на карте. Были и такие, которые справились с этим делом.
1,
Here?
3.
Is it?
Amazing, you found. Oh, yes.
So, how did you know about that?
Because I know it's just like cross the river from Russia and you get to Kazakhstan.
Oh, really?
So, where did you get that information? From where?
I read like Wikipedia a lot, I guess.
Whoa,
Guys here.
you're very smart.
I've been talking about it.
It seems that they know where Kazakhstan is. I'm a little bit scared.
Okay. You've got 3 seconds. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry.
Damn it.
With your turn.
What was the dot?
I will tell you in a minute.
He will try, yeah.
Okay.
Like, let's go.
Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Amazing.
You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
He guessed it.
Get it?
Yeah.
He did it! Oh my god! Okay, okay. I'm leaving. I don't want to do it. To be honest, yeah?
Sorry, leave it.
Why?
Sorry.
It's rules. Don't like your rules. You did it. Have a good day.
Okay,
Cheers, man. Thank you.
Cheers, bro. Good. 1, 2, 3. Amazing. You did it.
Yeah, really?
X gon' give it to you. Fuck, wait for you to get it on your own. X
You did it.
That's
This is
great.
Kazakhstan. Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah.
You were right. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay, yes.
Now I this time I pray, peace and I my blood, I.
Рахмет всем. Надеюсь, вам понравилось наше видео. Напоследок хочу провести небольшой розыгрыш. Тот, кто угадает, какой город в Британии мне нравится больше всего, получит приз 2000 тенге на баланс мобильного телефона. Так что, ребята, в комментариях пишите свои варианты. Какой город мне больше всего нравится в Великобритании?